In this video, I'll guide you through how to share Substack on Instagram. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab the link to one of your published posts on Substack and share it with your audience on Instagram, whether that's in a story, a post caption, or your bio. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to substack.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your publication. Once you're on your Substack dashboard, you'll see a menu on the left side of the screen. This is where you manage everything related to your newsletter. From that left-hand menu, look for the option labeled Posts and click on it. This is the main area where all of your content lives, including drafts, scheduled posts, and anything you've already published. It can be helpful to think of this as your content library inside Substack. After you click on Posts, you'll want to narrow down what you're seeing to only the content that's already live. To do that, click on Published. This filters the list so you only see posts that are publicly available and ready to share. If you have a lot of content, this makes it easier to find the exact piece you want to promote on Instagram. Now scroll through your list of published posts and find the one you want to share. Once you see it, click directly on that post. This opens the post editor or detail view where you can review the content, make sure everything looks good, and confirm that it's the right one to send out to your Instagram followers. From that post view, look for an option that says View Post. Go ahead and click that. This will open the public version of your Substack post in a new tab or window, just like your subscribers would see it. Taking this step is useful because you can double check the formatting, images, and title before sharing it widely. With the public view of your post open, find the share option on the page. Depending on Substack's current design, this might appear as a share icon or a button labeled Share. Click on that. A small menu or pop-up will appear with different ways to share your post. In that share menu, click on Copy Link. This copies the direct URL of your Substack post to your clipboard. Think of this as the unique address that takes people straight to that article. Once the link is copied, you're ready to move over to Instagram. Now open the Instagram app on your phone. You can paste this Substack link in a few different places. You might add it to an Instagram story using the link sticker, include it in the caption of a new post, or place it in your profile bio and then mention link in bio in your content. To paste, simply tap where you want the text to go, hold down and select paste. Add a short description or call to action so people know what they'll get when they tap the link, then share your story or post as usual. And that's it. You've taken a live Substack post, copied its link, and shared it on Instagram so more people can discover your work.